Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. Today, I'll be demonstrating how you can use Google Forms to create your registers in your Google Classroom. Let's get into the video. I will be working from my demo class today. The first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to go to classwork, and here the aim is to create the form so that we'll be able to draw back on it each time we need to create a register for a specific day. So we're going to go ahead and go to assignments. Let's go to assignments. Once you fill out the title, my title will be Register September 7, 2021. Once I fill that out, I'm just going to insert my instructions. And I'm just telling them how to mark their names by clicking on the forms and choosing their gender. It is likely that your instructions will, of course, be different from mine. So you put in your instructions, then we're going to click on the plus sign, and we're going to go down to forms. This will produce us with a blank form, and it will open the form for us. First thing I'm going to do is to rename my form. And I'm going to name this form register. I won't give it a date because I'm going to reuse this for all my days. I'm going to put a question here. So you have options. You can put a question. Are you present? Are you there? It's basically up to you. Then you're going to put in your options based on the question that you asked or the comment. Once I'm finished typing, I'm going to click in the top left-hand corner to ensure that the form is renamed there as well. And you're going to click on the required button. Of course, if you wanted to change this question into a comment, like I'm doing now, I'm just going to put choose your gender. You could do it that way as well. So if I put choose your gender, I'm going to change my responses to boy and girl. So it is basically up to you at this point. Once you have done that, you want to ensure that you have clicked required, because that is what's going to ensure that students must answer this question. It's important to note that your form will be saved automatically once you have internet connection. So from here, you can go ahead and exit, and your form will be saved to your Google Drive. As soon as I exit, you will see the form, untitled form there. I'm just going to remove this because I want my form to have the name I gave it. After removing, you're going to click on your Google Drive icon. Then you're going to go to Recent, and you're going to choose the form that you just did, titled Register, or whatever you titled yours. Click on Insert, and there you have it. Your form is in the assignment sheet. Then you will have to set your due date and your time. If it is that you have a cutoff time, you have to set the time, or they're going to be able to enter at any time during the day and mark the register. From there, you choose a topic for your assignment to be placed under. If you don't have a topic, you can create one. Once you have done that, just click on Assign. And when you assign, it will be placed underneath the topic that you chose. And there you have your daily register. It's important to note that once you have made the form, you don't have to redo the form. So here you can see how the assignment will look, how the register will look rather. It will look like a regular Google Forms assignment. So from here, if you are going to create other registers for the rest of the days, all you have to do is to go back to assignments, click on the Google Drive icon, and just retrieve the Google Forms register that you had already completed just now. So each time, that's all you have to do, and you wouldn't have to be redoing the forms again and again. So once you click on the assignment here, you will see on the left which students signed in or which students answered the questions. And from there, you would be able to mark the names of your students. That, in a nutshell, is how we create our registers using Google Forms. I do hope you learned something new